what I have here is 5 marinated boneless chicken breasts that I've marinated with 1.5 teaspoons of cayenne pepper, 1.5 teaspoons of smoked paprika, 2 teaspoons of salt, 1 teaspoon of pepper, the juice of 2 lemons, and some vegetable oil, and 6 minced garlic. Now what you want to do is you want to put this mixture in a Ziploc bag and then mix it up and then marinate it in the fridge for 30 minutes to 4 hours. Now after your chicken is marinated, take some canola oil and add it to your pan. You want to put about 5 tablespoons and after 5, fry all of your chicken breasts. Okay, now what you want to do is you want to take your chicken breast and put it in hot oil. The chicken breasts have been hammered, so they're nice and tender, and they're thinner and easier to cook. You want to make sure that you don't overcrowd the pan and you don't put too much chicken. Then the temperature of the oil will go down too much and it won't cook properly. I've now flipped the chicken after 5 minutes of cooking on one side. You want to cook the chicken until the color is about golden brown, a little darker brown will be a little better. And you should be ready in 8 minutes. Pieces of chicken. Right here I have the cooked pieces of chicken. The one thing you do not want to do once you're done cooking the chicken is cut into it. Let the chicken rest for at least 10 minutes before you cut the chicken. Once you're done cutting the chicken, I'll tell you what the next step is. Now since we have all the chicken ready, you're going to want to get a big knife and cut all the chicken into bite-sized pieces. Okay, what you're going to need for this is white flour tortillas, and then you're going to need shredded chicken, which is right here, and the shredded cheese. First you want to put your chicken on the tortilla, then you want to put all of your cheese, and then place another tortilla on top. Then you want to take this, and then you want to place it on your pan using the chicken oil from before. After a few seconds, flip the tortilla. Press it down on the edges to make sure nothing spills out. Then once you've taken it off the pan, use a pizza cutter to cut right down the middle. You should be able to cut it into 4 perfect slices. And then that's it. You're done.